In this video, I will show you how to use an OR operator in Sql. So to start with, let me throw in my select statement. Select all from my adventure 29 database. I'll be pulling my data from the human resources table. Employee. So now I want to specify the business logic where I'll be using the OR operator. Now, using the OR operator means that okay, let me just put in my where clause, which is going to be my first condition, where the job title equals the design engineer. Then I'll insert my OR operator, or the sick leave hours equals 22. So this logic will work if either of these two conditions is met. For instance, this logic will pull any job title that has a value of design engineer in the job title column and any value that has 22 in the sick leave hours. Either this is true, either the sick leave hours is true, or the job title is true. So that means we are either pulling any role that has a design engineer as the job title, or any role that has a sick leave of 22 hours. So let's give it a run. So you can see here it displayed 7 rows, and in the job title, it returned the production technician and the design engineer. You can see that in our where clause, the value we assign to the job title is design engineer. But simply because this production technician has a work sick leave hours of 22. That was the reason why this record, the rows that contains production technician of 22 hour sick leave, was also returned. And if you take a look at the design engineer has both 23 hours and 22 hours, but simply because the where clause met the condition of the design engineer. So any design engineer in the job title column was returned, and any sick leave hours of 22 was also returned. So this is how to use the OR operator in Sql. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you.